top story this hour, police arrested teen pop star Justin Bieber today after an investigation revealed he is not a 16-year-old heartthrob, but rather a 51-year-old pedophile in disguise. Wearing a wig and a rubbery mask, Bieber, born Michael Cote in 1959, spent years cultivating an image as a sensitive teenager and penning innocently suggestive songs like Down to Earth and First Dance, all with the intention of surrounding himself with pubescent girls and fondling them.
While telling his fans he was a virgin, he traveled across the country abusing girls in all 50 states. In retrospect, something as diabolical as Justin Bieber could only have been the product of a remorseless sex fiend.
Criminal psychologist Dr. Hannah Carrier says the lyrics Cote wrote and performed as Bieber manipulated the naive minds of thousands of underage girls.
The songs are full of concepts like sharing special moments and forbidden love. These are fairly standard tropes among active pedophiles. Just thinking about how Justin Bieber's mind works gives me chills.
To maintain his cover, Cote created an elaborate backstory, enrolling in a Canadian high school and hiring a heroin-addicted prostitute to pose as his mother. Cote was able to avoid widespread suspicion until earlier this year when this photo was posted on TMZ, showing what appears to be Bieber's face peeling off during a concert in Lafayette, Louisiana. And yesterday, the police investigation uncovered rare footage of Cote performing in his home without his Bieber disguise.
Don't tell me I ran out of time. It takes the rest of my life. Oh.
For his victims, the arrest brings some relief, but cannot erase the memories of being abused by the synthetic teenage pervert. This 9-year-old was molested by Bieber after a concert in Des Moines.
I told him I had to go because my mom was waiting, but he grabbed me and told me I was a special angel, and then he asked me to pee all over him.
Bieber faces up to 75 years behind bars, but officials say he will almost certainly be murdered in prison. Up next, we'll tell you which extinct plant is available in body wash.
Baby, I will wait for you, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. Don't tell me I ran out of time. It takes the rest of my life. Baby, I'll wait for you. You need to find it,